Hi everybody, I'm Allison with Juji Skin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vitamin C toner. So if you currently use vitamin C in your skincare, or if you're interested in using vitamin C in your skincare, you're going to love this video and this product. Vitamin C is amazing for skin. It can shrink your pores. It can also reduce age spots and sunspots. And for those reasons, it's anti-aging. So it's a great product also to get rid of any built up dead skin cells on your face because it is an acid. So it works really well for that as well. However, if you've used a vitamin C serum or vitamin C product on your face in the past, you might have found that it doesn't quite work as well as you thought it would, or it didn't really live up to your expectations. And that is because vitamin C actually oxidizes really quickly. So what that means is when vitamin C or a product that includes vitamin C is exposed to oxygen or to light, the vitamin C actually breaks down. So you're not really sure actually how much vitamin C you're going to be getting in that product. So when I first started learning about skincare ingredients and vitamin C, I racked my brain trying to figure out how I could incorporate it into some of my products so I could bring it to my customers. However, once I did my research, I just realized that it's probably best if the customers actually make the vitamin C serum on their own, because that way you know it's fresh and that it's going to work. So you're going to be making this product about once a week, and it only includes 2 ingredients. So it includes vitamin C powder, which is right here, and this is something that you can get in a health food store, and it also includes water. So as you know, vitamin C is an acid, so you need to be sure that you're measuring your ingredients properly. Today we're going to start with a 5% concentration. So what I have here is my water, so I'm going to be using about 120 milliliters of water. This is the jar I'm going to be using to store it in. This is the vitamin C, and this is a teaspoon. So in order to find out how much vitamin C you need, you simply multiply the milliliters of water by the percentage of vitamin C that you need. So for example, it's 125 milliliters of water. You multiply that by 0.05, and that gives you a total of 6. So for today's demonstration, I'm just going to use a teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters. You can use a little bit less if you want as well, so that's fine. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm going to use a funnel. You don't have to. You can mix it up in a measuring cup if you would like. And as mentioned, I'm going to take 5 milliliters, which is a teaspoon. Make sure you shave the top off or actually get a full teaspoon. Pour it in. Take the water, so it's 120 milliliters. Pour that into your bottle. Cap it up and shake. So there it is, your freshly made effective vitamin C toner with 2 ingredients. So a few things to remember about this toner is you should make it once a week or it will oxidize. It will probably turn orange. So the proof is in the pudding. You will see how it oxidizes over time. And then you're going to understand that the products that you're probably using right now, the vitamin C products, might not be all that effective. Also use this at night. So if you put it on just with a cotton swab, you can leave it on for about 15 or 20 minutes. And you can wash it off if you want to. I personally just like to use a organic plant oil to moisturize at that point with. That way you know you're not going to have any chemical interactions with any other chemicals that are in your current moisturizer that you're using if you're using something that's kind of mainstream. So you can increase the concentration of vitamin C up to a maximum of 20%. So 20% is the most you should be using. And how you do that is every week or 2 weeks, you can just increase the amount by 5% and just use the equation that I provided earlier in the video. So I hope you like it. It's a really great product. I noticed a difference from the first time I used it. And you can let me know if you want to comment on my video. You can also like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get all the latest Juji updates. I'm also on Facebook at Juji Skin, also on Instagram at Juji Skin, and my website is jujiskin.com. Thanks for watching.